How to fix Events tab missing from Facebook. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to help you fix the issue of the Events tab missing from Facebook. If you are trying to check out your events and can't find the tab, don't worry. I'll walk you through some quick fixes, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines at the bottom right or top right for Android device. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Under the shortcut sections, tap Shortcut Bar or Shortcut Settings. Here, you will see a list of shortcuts. If Events is turned off, toggle it back on and it should reappear on your menu bar. If you still can't find the Events tab, try using the search bar at the top of the app and type in Events, and it will take you directly to the Events page. Sometimes missing features happen because your app is outdated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Facebook and make sure you have the latest version installed. If none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app. This can often resolve bugs or glitches causing the Events tab to disappear. And there you have it. Those are the quick fixes for getting the Events tab back on Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next one.